Cindy, I swear you're sexy. I'm loving the way that you keep on the rolling your body.
Wow, fine.
Thank you.
See, you will see one thing you see that the person from up there, from area 1, come here, through. See, baby, I love you, and I won't make I marry you.
Hey.
What? Well,
You want to marry me?
I will marry you.
No be small thing.
Yes, I will marry you.
You get money. You
I
want to marry me? You prepare to.
What is the money? Where could the money when you are not fit?
Eh?
See, now my father gave Vanaja. Now my father gave Vanaja.
That means you prepare
If
before
I marry you now, you will become the Vanaja princess.
No be small thing.
I tell you.
Ah!
I tell
No,
you.
no, but
So I won't follow you go your house. Man, I know where they live.
You want to
You
marry?
say they wise.
Okay? No problem. No be wahala. Mo dey go.
Cindy,
Hey.
I swear you're sexy. I'm loving the way that you keep on the rolling your body. I want to touch it. Tell me who's your daddy.
Fine, thank you. Where are the grand?
Tell my mother. Oh, na my daughter. She the hungry that is like.
What? Jesus is Lord.
Cry. They say our big. Where did you sit up?
Funke. What? You think say they wise? You are a mumu man. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
What? What you are looking for? You will move out of this house.